What is up, guys? Today we are back with random how-tos. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do a little bit more complex karambit tricks than the last time, which I showed you how you could go like that, which is a good starter trick. So this video I'm going to be showing you how you can do this. Okay, so let's get right into it. First, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take it and flip it forward. Catch it with your fingers like last time. You can catch it like this or like this. For this, I usually catch it like this, so it's solid, so it's not going anywhere. I fling it back. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to like this, forward, backwards. So that's that. That was from the last video. But this time you're going to go under. You're going to go under. Like this. Under. So when you go under, stop it with your thumb like this. Like you're doing a peace sign, which you could do, I guess. But really, that's probably not the best idea. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go under, above, and then over. So under, forward, back. 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 And once you get fast to that, it'll look like a pretty cool trick to do. And then doubled up with other tricks like the carousel, which I haven't showed you guys. I'll show you guys that in the next video. We got a little sneak peek. But anyway, so once you get that down, that's the right arm. I'm going to show you guys with the left one, just you lefties or whatever, righties. I do it with both, so I don't know. Maybe you guys do too. So first, fling back, fling forward, fling back. Back, forward, back. Back, forward, back. Back, forward, back. You can use it on this one, or you can use it on this one. I find either one works. Sometimes if you don't have super good grip, you can use it like this, putting it around here rather than putting it around here, because since your finger is bigger up there, it will result in having a little bit more stableness than if you're going like this. You see that's a little bit less stable. So back, forward, back, back, forward, back. Okay, so once you got that down, you can add to this. Remember what I showed you about this? Well, what was it, this? So what you're going to want to do for that trick to add to it, you're going to want to go back, forward, back, but instead of catching it, you're going to let it swing around. Okay? So back, forward, back, but let it swing once, okay? So back, forward, back. Back, forward, back. Okay? So that just adds a little bit to it, makes it seem a little bit cooler. If you can do that extra flip. It's not that hard. If you practice with it, you'll get it. It's not too much of a problem. So now that you got this, you can go this, 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 this. So now you got a combo. So I'll show you guys in the next video how you can do the carousel, which is a pretty cool trick. So I'll see you guys in that video.